In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a product in an Odoo website step by step using the demo Odoo environment. This tutorial is perfect if you're a beginner in Odoo, running an online store, or managing inventory and want to quickly add new products the right way. We'll go through the exact clicks you need to make, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create products confidently inside Odoo. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Odoo tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Odoo dashboard. In this example, I'm using demo6.odoo.com, but the steps are the same for your own Odoo installation. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Odoo home screen where you can see all the available apps. This is your main control center in Odoo. From here, we're going to access the product section. Next, look for the Inventory application. Click on Inventory to open it. The Inventory app is where Odoo manages all products, stock levels, and warehouse operations. After the Inventory module loads, look at the top menu and click on Products. This will open the Products Overview page where all existing products are listed. If this is a new database, you might see only a few sample products here. Now, once again, click on Products from the drop-down to make sure you are inside the main product list. This ensures you're in the correct section where new products can be created and managed. At the top of the screen, you'll now see a New button. Click on New to start creating a new product. This opens the product creation form where you can enter all the details for your item. Here, you can start by entering the product name at the top. This is the name that will appear on your Odoo website and in your inventory. Below that, you can choose the product type, such as storable product, consumable, or service, depending on what you're selling. If you're adding a physical item to your website, you'll usually choose storable product. As you scroll down, you can set the sales price, cost, and product category. These details help Odoo manage pricing, reporting, and inventory valuation. You can also upload a product image so it looks professional on your website. A clear product image can significantly improve your conversion rate. Next, switch to the Sales tab if you want this product to be available on your Odoo website. Make sure the option to sell on the website is enabled. This is very important because if this setting is not active, the product won't show up on your online store. You can also add a product description here, which will be visible to customers on the product page. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save. That's it. Your product is now successfully added to Odoo. If your website is connected and published, this product will appear on your Odoo website based on your shop settings. You can repeat the same process to add more products anytime. And that's how easy it is to add a product in an Odoo website. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.